And what do you think about Yiddish as a language?
It's new letters, and it's always difficult if you learn new letters. Like for me, it was new as I had Latin philology in Ukraine because I use Cyrillic letters for my language. Then thanks to Latin, I could then read even English and German and Italian. And the Yiddish has the Hebrew letters. And even if I could understand from the spoken language something, but it's getting better and better because it's one of the languages from the German family languages, not from modern German, but from the oldest family, which is also German and Flemish and Danish, I guess, and Swedish and Yiddish. And I like this combination because in Yiddish you can see also the history and movement from west to east because the vocabulary is changing from German words to the Russian, Ukrainian or Polish. And it's great if you hear the word and you try to understand which language is it. Was it original? Again, new perspective, and I like to change my perspective, and it's now reading not from right to left, but from left to right. Why not? And I try also to write with left hand. Normally I write with right hand. We'll see if it helps.